How many license plates can you make with 3 letters and 3 digits? The answer isn't a few thousand. It's over 17.5 million. This is the hidden world revealed by combinatorics, the mathematics of counting. It's the tool we use to figure out just how many ways things can be arranged, selected, or combined. And at its core, it all hinges on one simple, powerful question. Does order matter? Imagine you need to choose a president, a vice president, and a secretary from a group of 10 people. Here, order is everything. Being president is not the same as being secretary. This is a permutation, a specific arrangement. The math shows there are exactly 720 different ways to form this leadership team. But what if you just need a 3-person committee from those same 10 people? Now, the order is irrelevant. A committee of Alice, Bob, and Carol is the exact same as Carol, Bob, and Alice. This is a combination, a selection, not an arrangement. Suddenly, the number of possibilities plummets from 720 down to just 120. This single question, does order matter, is the key that unlocks countless problems. It's the difference between a race where finishing order is crucial and a team where membership is all that counts. And this isn't just theoretical, it's the language of probability. Want to know your odds of being dealt a 5-card hand with exactly 2 aces from a 52-card deck? You first need combinatorics to count the possibilities. There are nearly 2.6 million possible hands, but only about 104,000 of them contain exactly 2 aces. This tells you the probability is just under 4%. So, the next time you see a license plate or play a card game, remember the hidden math at play. It's a system for navigating the vast landscape of choice and chance, all starting with one simple question.